For me, one of the most important things for an artist to understand is who their work is speaking to. And I often refer to it as who's your audience. If you're working in a vacuum and you're satisfying your own creative goals, I think you are missing the opportunity to grow even further with your work when it is in dialogue with an audience that is ready to grow from it as well. So it's crucial to me that when people have their work executed, that they think really hard about who it's best suited for in terms of an audience before they put the work out there. That way, your work will be presented in a style that suits that venue. It will be spoken to in terms of media and press in a language that the audience will understand. And I feel that when that can happen, I watch artists grow so much more when there's a true dialogue, an authentic dialogue about the work with people that are impacted and moved in a positive way by their efforts.